In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to schedule a meeting on Zoom, okay, using your mobile phone. So assuming I've just logged into my Zoom account and I want to schedule a meeting for tomorrow at 10 a.m. So I'm going to come to schedule a meeting, which is going to open my calendar, all right, which is going to open the meeting schedule. So I'm going to define the meeting. What is the meeting about? For example, this is Toastmasters meeting. Okay, so you can define the date. I want it to be tomorrow. So set the timing. What time is it? So I'm going to have it by 10 a.m. For example, this is for 10 a.m. This is for 10 a.m. Okay, so 10 a.m. set. And then from 10 a.m. to, let's say, 10:30 a.m. All right, so set. It's just for 30 minutes. So repeat this. I'm going to keep it. Invitees, I will share the link. Use my personal ID. I can enable this. So you can just copy this ID and share with people. And then over here, you have require meeting passcode. Does it require passcode for the meeting? If I say yes, then this is the passcode that they are going to use to join the meeting. Okay, if you don't want to, or if it doesn't require passcode, you can disable it. So anybody with this code can just join the meeting. So as you set up everything, host video on, you can enable, participant video on, you can enable for them to on it by force before joining the meeting. And then at the end, you can add this to your calendar. You can enable this. So once you're done putting in all these key details, you can just come over to the top right and say done. And now you have scheduled your meeting. So you can allow this. And now your meeting is scheduled. You can copy the details. This is the meeting ID. This is the password. And then this is you can invite people. You can add to calendar and you can start the meeting also from here. So let's say we can invite people. Let's say we'll share this to my friends on WhatsApp. Okay, so I just click on send and now sending the invite. So anybody with this link can just join the meeting. All right. As you click on this link, you can join the meeting. So if you find this helpful, please leave a like.